Hi, so we will discuss about ngclass directive. Before I start this video, if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe it. Let's start. This ngclass directive basically is used to add or remove CSS class dynamically. Dynamically means runtime from DOM elements. And we will discuss like ngclass with string, ngclass with array, and ngclass with objects. Okay, let's see an example. First, we will see ngclass with a string. Okay, actually I already created CSS class. Here you can see the classes, few class 1 2 3 4 5. For one, color is red, font size 2, for color is 20 pixels. Okay, and then for class 3, its color is bold and italic for 4, and it's green for 5. Okay, let's take an example here. First we will see this ng class with the string ng class in square brackets. Okay, in double quotes use a single quotes, then this name of your class. That's it. And you will say ng class with string. We'll see how it looks. Oh, there is an error. Yeah, it's compiled successfully. Oh no, there is still an error. What is one second? Let me check. Oh, we are getting this error. Agent non-property of S3. Okay, it's a ng class. Oh, sorry, it's smaller. Now it's compiled successfully. Let's see. See, it's the color of this string is red. Let me show you. We are using this class 1 in CSS. You can see here the color is red. Let me change it. Okay, like make it blue. Okay, then see. Okay, you can see here the color also now the got changed here. Now we'll see ng class with the array. Okay, first we will see like ng class with this multiple CSS classes. Here we define only one. Let me add one more class 1 and 4. You can see here this string is looking like the italic. So for the class 4 we have defined the font style is italic. Okay, and now we will see looks the ng class with array. Let me add here array. Okay, this is array which having value which having class 1 and 4. See, it's working. Let me add one more class here also. Let's remove this 1. Let's add here a 5. Okay, we'll see. See, the color of this fonts got changed. Let's see here. Yeah, it's green. Now it's a green. Okay, now we will look ng class as object. Okay, let's if I want to apply like I don't want to use this 5. Okay, class only wants to use 4. Let me add one more class also here, like 3. So what you have to do, you have to add the boolean value here. If you don't want to use this, just make it false. If you want to use this, then true, and for 3 also make it true. One second. Oh shit. Now it's compiled successfully. Let's see. Yeah, you can see here the color. So color is now black. Okay, it's not a color which having the class 5. It's a green. Okay, because we are passing here like false value. So what we are doing, we are removing this this style, this class. Okay, let me do one thing. Let's make it true and changes true to false for 4. See, okay, now font is not italic. Okay, because this class is to move from down. Yeah, so this is about this ng class, and that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.